Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting both devices ready, charge the Beats Flex and unlock your iPhone. Press the Beats power button to wake the headphones and enter pairing mode. The LED will flash. On your iPhone, open Settings Bluetooth and keep the screen active so pairing prompts appear. If Beats Flex previously paired, forget that device to avoid conflicts. Once done, make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi is enabled for better discovery performance before moving to the next step. You now pair and route audio. Under Bluetooth, tap Beats Flex when it appears in available devices. Accept any pairing prompt. There's no PIN typically, so wait for the status to show connected. Once paired, open Control Center and check the audio output selector to ensure Beats Flex is active. This routes system and app sound. If an app still uses phone speaker, force close and reopen it. Make sure volume is up on both devices. Because the headphones have independent volume controls, that you finish by verifying stability and addressing issues. Check iPhone iOS and update Beats firmware via the Beats app or device settings. Firmware fixes many dropouts. If pairing fails, reset Beats Flex. Hold power and multifunction buttons for about 10 seconds, then reattempt pairing. If audio cuts or stutters, keep you within 10 meters, avoid microwave/Wi-Fi congestion, and toggle Bluetooth off/on. One key tip: resetting both Bluetooth on the iPhone and the headphones resolves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.